What's the meaning of Big Sur? Big Sur. Big Sur.
Big Sur. Big Sur. Big Sur is a region located on the central coast of California, USA. The term Big Sur refers specifically to the 90-mile stretch of rugged and scenic coastline between the Carmel River and San Carpoforo Creek. There are various stories behind the origin of this name. One version is that it comes from the Spanish phrase El Sur Grande, meaning the Big South, which was used to describe the vast and relatively unexplored area. Another theory suggests that the name comes from the trees in the area that were called surs by the indigenous people. Today, Big Sur is known for its natural beauty and attracts countless tourists and outdoor enthusiasts each year.